Yo guys, it's the Swag Master here, and today I'm going to show you how to get The Sims 4 on iOS and Android in 2026. So all you got to do, guys, is go over to matrixmods.com, and we're going to look for the Sims 4. So as you can see, here it is. So just press on it, press download, and before it downloads, there is going to be a verification process you have to do. So this is 100% for free. So basically, you just want to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then you will get The Sims 4 on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, guys, at the end, it's going to say missing files. So basically, this is the last step to download the game. So you have to get like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then you will get it. So for instance, like Travel Town, this one says down and reach level 9. So it's like a game. So I just play through this until I'm level 9. So that's pretty easy. So in my opinion, my honest opinion, the games are the easiest ones because you're literally just like playing through it. And what happens is you lose track of time and then you're done and you're good to go. But for some other apps, we've also got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. Mo Casino, this one says install the app and open it. So that's how to download The Sims 4 on iOS and Android. And if you go to the App Store, you will see that The Sims 4 is actually not on the App Store. So unfortunately, guys, we cannot get it. We can only get The Sims Free Play, which is a pay-to-win game. So there you go. That's how to download The Sims 4 on iPhone and Android in 2026. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps, and you're going to be good to go. Also, if you press help, you got this video here you can watch. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I don't really know why people are so caught up in the PC and everything. Like, you don't need a PC to do this. This is the mobile release for 2026, iOS and Android. So you literally just got to like download the game and you're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, but make sure you download 2 of the apps and then you can get Sims 4 on iOS and Android, guys. The gang is here. We are coming in hot with the Sims 4 mobile release, my squad. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out. This is super cool and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it, because I'm just trying to bring light to the Sims 4 community, because a lot of you guys have like laggy PCs and your phone can probably run the game better, to be honest. So that's why I would encourage you guys to try this out for yourself. It's super cool. This fully works for all devices. So if you guys want to get The Sims 4 on iOS and Android, guys, now you know the secret method to do it. So I really hope this video works for you guys. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself if you want to get Sims 4 for iPhone, because I mean, who wants to play it on the PC in the big 2026, am I right? You want to be playing it on the bus and the train? Well, the only way to do that is with the mobile version.